My country pipo, una welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija lockdown housemate wey be say dem dey call Tolanibaj, she don come under fire from her senior colleague Avala after Tolanibaj rip the girl. And also Katrina of the lockdown season, that one dem don expose her fake life finally. So sometime early of May this year, Katrina she come out come tell us say after she sell property wey be say she sell allegedly na late husband property wey be say she sell, she make the total amount of $900 million. The thing come dey circulate that time, people come dey call her say na lie, madam you too dey lie, you too dey live fake life. Even we wey watch lockdown season know talk say Katrina was actually joking when she talk the type of amount wey be say she make from the sales. So she come out today to come show us a new private jet and a Range Rover wey be say she buy. According to her, she say na she buy am by herself. She come out come post Katrina, come pin am hashtag Katrina the boss lady. She still go write am for even her Twitter handle to say, see o, I don purchase a car, customized car and customized private jet. So immediately Nigerians see the thing, they say no, this thing look like an edited photo, na photoshop na this girl do. So they can't go do investigation, come find out say true this particular private jet na one man na get am. This year na the evidence. Nigerian billionaire private jet owner sue federal government over $67.5 million tax. So na this particular, if you check am with the one wey be say Katrina post where she write her name for the front, you go see say na the same thing. She just use Canva or that app wey they call photo peb, when she use to write this thing put for there. So fans, the thing really pain Nigerians so well because they not see a reason why we say this woman go dey pressure innocent people for nothing. For Katrina to come out to come impose this particular picture, she even show another picture of her and her daughter when they come down from the private jet. E come turn out say this particular picture wey una dey see for the screen, so when she and her daughter dey waka comot from the plane, you go see talk say na the same picture na dey for this other side, so where be say she and her daughter na inside market dey Nigeria market here. My own be say all this fake life wey this woman dey live, she just forget say na a baby girl na she born. All these things they na bad influence for the daughter, because you dey teach your pikin how to dey fake everything. I sure say that Hermes bag where she dey even give the pikin, make the pikin dey carry, so it might even be fake because Katrina lies a lot. A gullible person go see this particular plate number, the person go believe, and the plate number does not even look real. Now make we see how fans react after Katrina come out to come lie this type of huge lie. The first person here say there was a cut. Why lie? Because you want blogs to post or what? Who you want pressure? Now they don't cast you. Another one say person wey say she made $900 million go need keep up with the lies now. Please allow her. Next person say people who really have money don't feel the need to always brag. No let anybody pressure you, sha. The reason why people they investigate Katrina like this now because Katrina these days, I don't know what they happen with her and lying. Lie before, but it's like she go school this time around, can't graduate. It's getting out of hand. Let her be a good role model to this her beautiful daughter. If she like, may she continue to do all this nonsense wey be say she dey do. Unto Tolanibaj matter with her senior colleague Avala Balogun. That girl na from Pepper Dem season. They actually evict her for the first week of the show. And since she come out, she's a singer. The truth be say Tolanibaj na one of her supporters, because I don't see Tolanibaj dey vibe to her song before, where we say she wear one pink top, they vibe to this girl's song before. So I believe to say two of them they in a cordial relationship. All of a sudden we see say Avala come out today, come tweet this particular tweet. So she come out come say somebody tell that bitch she made an enemy out of me. Contact her at Tolanibaj. Kosi come say I'm tired of internet giving me false narratives, thinking I'm sweet or calm, or people thinking they know me after 1 week on a show. I'm emotional cause I'm passionate, but I'm not the one. It takes a lot to piss me off, so don't effing try me. Voilà, she dey talk like Americana. It's like she grew up for that side or something. So as she tweet this, people come dey ask questions, say wetin dey sup, wetin T-Baj don do. People come dey talk anything wey be say Avala dey accuse T-Baj of, say T-Baj actually do am, because everybody knows say T-Baj and man na 5 and 6. They come dey speculate say e go be man na two of them dey drag. So T-Baj come fit see the need to come out to come explain wetin really dey sup before people come talk say na man na she snatch from Avala. So I go just explain the T-Badge on side of the story for now instead of reading it out. So if una still get and see the listing, you feel they read what I put for my screen. According to T-Badge, she said actually two of them they meet for club together last night. And only for her to wake up to see say the girl they actually drag her. So she can't they try to place calls to meet the girl management to know waiting they really sup, why the girl they call her out, all those type of things. Come tell her and talk say Avala, they actually expect Tolanibaj to play her song as the DJ for the club last night. She where be Tolanibaj, she was not aware of it. She said the promoter of the song not even tell her, say, see, Tolani, put this person's song for your DJ set. And for according to Tolanibaj, she said her own DJ set, her own performance supposed be for like 1 hour. One cut am to 30 minutes. So that the next DJ go fit play, and she herself Tolaniba, she was not happy about the whole situation. She say yes, she agreed to say fine. Avala tell her to say okay, see you, I go perform for this particular club, and Tolaniba she dey happy for the girl. According to Tolani, she say she actually dey push this girl songs for all her platform, and she just dey surprised say this girl come out to come call her and say how she go take note say they plan to put her music for her DJ set without informing her. Say she not be magician now. She say she dey highly disappointed in the girl because wetin the girl dey assume dey completely untrue. Tolani further explained to say the girl suppose call her instead of just coming online to come and drag her, all those type of things. She made that statement finish, the girl can't go live, can't they blast Tolani. So Avala come out to come dey shout for her life. According to her, she say Tolani dey dismissive when she mentioned to Tolani say, see oh, you go play my song. Say she don't want to appeal to go ask Tolani say, when are you playing my song? All those type of thing. Tolani they dismissive. Tell her say later by 5 a.m. all those type of thing. For Tolani to pack her bag, go house, start playing her song. So her friends around come dey ask her fans come dey ask her say, are you and Tolani batch beefing? Tolani no gree play your song anymore. So she will be Vahala, I be Avala. Wahala not too much. Avala, she come burst cry. She said the thing wey pain her the most not be the fact say Tolani not play her song. Say na the fact say Tolani treat her song like say the thing not mean anything. The way Tolani take neglect the song. But the thing wey be say I wan talk for inside be say Tolanibaj don come out now come talk say see as the thing be oh. See, no vex. I no understand how the thing take go. Say na miscommunication. The thing normally you not supposed to even carry and come online. Fine. Avala know the person wey say they come online, they can't complain. But I just see all these things as childish because it don't make any sense. To not be more say they must even play your song. Maybe say they promote your song for social media platform. Now only that night, maybe say she not playing for club. That club where you not playing now, she don't turn bad person. Now that time say they talk, you go do 100 good for person. The one bad maybe say you do for the person, the rest good they go cancel her for you. For her live video, they talk anybody maybe say they tell her to say she not supposed to come online, come talk, say F you to Avala. At the end of the day, this social media people maybe say they carry the matter contest, if they not even send you. This Avala girl sef and Tolanibaj sef, two of them they talk the same way, they look the same, their height sef na the same. Avala, when you cry finish, when you are ready, you go call Tolanibaj for phone because I just say you get her phone number, you go her house, una two go squash una beef, una take care, una bye.